Welcome back, children, to the second session for today, that is admission of a partner. Then we have the second method, that will be condition number 4, and it is a surrender method. So we are going, because all in all there are 6 conditions, so we are doing the 4th condition right now. So it is a surrender method. So let us take up an example to understand surrender method first. Surrender method. When an old partner surrender or gives means sacrifices their shares to the new partner, that is called surrender method. Now what is surrender method? When the old partners surrender their share. Surrender means sacrifice, or they give their share in favor of the new partner. We'll understand with the help of this numerical example that you are seeing on the board. Ram and Mohan were the partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. Okay, they admitted Sita and Radha. They were the old partners, Ram and Mohan. Profit sharing ratio was 3:2, and they admitted Sita and Radha as the new partners. Now what happens? Ram surrenders 1/3 of his share only in favor of Sita. I have written it in a very small way, so you have to listen to me. राम इज सरेंडिंग हिज चेयर ओनली फॉर सीता. राधा से कोई मतलब नहीं है, सीता को जानता है वो, तो ही इज सरेंडरिंग हिज चेयर इन फेवर ऑफ सीता. हाउ मच? 1/3. नाउ मोहन सरेंडर 1/2 ऑफ हिज शेयर इन फेवर ऑफ राधा. सिंस राधा इज नोन टू मोहन ओनली, तो 1/2 यानी कि 1/2 ऑफ हिज शेयर मोहन सरेंडर्स इन फेवर ऑफ राधा. So profit of the firm is also given in this question as 3,60,000, and we have to appropriate the profits as well. In this particular question, I have taken up this question so that you also understand if sometimes in a question profit comes, then how you have to do the journal entry. Okay, I think the question is very clear. So we'll move up to the solution of the question. Okay, here I have put down the summary. There were 2 partners, Ram and Mohan. Profit sharing ratio was 3:2. Ram is surrendering 1/3 of his share to Sita. Mohan is surrendering 1/2 of his share to Radha. Now in order to calculate the new ratio, how we are going to put up? First we will write the old ratio of these 2 partners. Ram's old ratio is 3/5, as you can see, 3:2. And Mohan's old ratio is 2/5. Now whatever they give, whatever they sacrifice, we have to reduce, we have to minus, we have to subtract. So what was the condition? Ram surrenders 1/3 of whose share? Of his share. His. So here I have written 3/5 because the share of Ram was 3/5. So 1/3 of his own share. Okay. Similarly, Mohan surrenders 1/2 of whose share? Of his share. His share was how much? 2/5. So his share ka 1/2. He is surrendering, giving, minus, subtracting. So what Sita gets? What Sita gets? What Ram has surrendered. Ram has surrendered this bracket. That is 1/3 of his share. That will be gained by Sita. What Radha gets? Radha will get this bracket. 1/2 of Mohan's share, his share. So we will get, Radha will get the bracket from Mohan. So this is how we will calculate the new ratio. After solving the entire thing, we will get 2/5 for Ram. That is 3:3 cancel, and 3/5 minus 1/5. 3/5 from here. This bracket comes down as 1/5. That you must be knowing that it is a very prelim calculation. So all in all we get 2/5 and 1/5 and 1/5 and 1/5. Now we get the new ratio as well. Ram 2/5. Then we have Mohan 1/5, Sita 1/5 and Radha. I think I should show you one more time over here. Ram will get 3/5 minus the whole bracket which he has surrendered in favor of Sita. Then we get 3/5 minus 1/5. The solution of this bracket is 1/5. The answer will be 2/5. Okay. Similarly, then Mohan's old share was 2/5. He is surrendering this bracket to Radha. And after the solution, 2/5 minus 1/5 equals to 1/5. For Sita, she is gaining 1 bracket from Ram. For Radha, she is gaining 1 bracket from Mohan. So all in all, we come down to the last ratio. That is a new ratio that you can see over here. Let me tilt a little. Yes, 2 by 5 is to 1 by 5 is to 1 by 5 is to 1 by 5. Equalizing, putting the same denominator, we get 2 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. So the new ratio turns out to be 2 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. So this was surrender method for calculation of new profit sharing ratio in case of admission. I hope that you must have understood. We'll see you in the next session.